Carl, should we blow on it again? Should we blow on the fire again, bud? Yeah? Should we blow on the fire again? Okay, here we go. Oh, that works pretty good, doesn't it, Carl? For everybody watching, this is a rainy day. We have our raincoats on. The ground is completely saturated, so is that fun, Carl? Yeah, I agree. Good stuff, huh? Hey, Carl. Merry Christmas, buddy. What do you think? Should we blow on it again? Huh, bud? How are you? Yeah? Are we having fun? We're almost done, aren't we? Okay, here we go. Yep, there it goes, huh, buddy? Pretty neat, huh? Here we go again. Woo! Woo! Yeah, buddy. Is that your fire dance? Good job. Make sure to stay back. Nice work. Yeah, I like it. You show me your dance moves? Yeah? Okay, here we go. Dance moves, fire dance moves. Yeah. Yeah?
No.
You don't know? Should we blow on it again? Or are you going to do some more dance moves? Yeah? I liked your dance moves, kiddo. Oh, yeah. That's kind of fun, isn't it, buddy? Leaf blower to the rescue. You want to say bye, Carl?
Bye.
Good job, buddy.